Good afternoon, YouTube. Today we will be doing a rear differential, fluid change, and a transmission fluid change on a 2013 QX56 Infiniti. Okay, what you're going to need for the differential, you're going to need 3/8 inch socket with the 3/8 hex socket, ratchet rather, 3/8 ratchet with a 3/8 hex socket. You're going to need a rubber mallet. You need some brake clean. You might need a magnet. You need a bucket to pour the fluid into, and you're going to need your oil. This takes 75 weight 90 gear oil. Okay, first things first, let's go up under here. All right, here's your rear differential. This is your drain plug. You put the 3/8 inch hex socket in here, drain it out, put a bucket under. This is your fill plug. Same thing, 3/8 inch hex socket. It's probably, since it's a Japanese vehicle, it's probably some metric, but I have a 3/8 and it fits fine. 3/8 might be, I don't know, 12 millimeter or 11 millimeter. Okay, once you drain out all the fluid, you clean this has a magnetic tip, so you clean any metal particles, tiny shavings. If you have some big shavings, you got a problem. If you have just a little bit of metal wear, a little bit of black, like this is what I got out of mine. You got a little bit of fine black, tiny little shavings. So it should be good. So you clean that off, put that back in. Okay, tighten it up snug. It has a aluminum crush washer, so you just tighten it up till it's nice and snug and it won't leak. Now it takes 3.6 pints, which is roughly slightly below 2 quarts. Okay, so now you're gonna open up your fill plug, and what I do is take my bottle of oil, gear oil, and you cut the tip, and then you get some clear tubing, because there's no way to pour in here. You see the tire's in the way. So what you can do is you put this up over the tire, and you put the hose in there. I've already done it, it's already filled, but this way you have gravity. See, it's already dripping a little bit. It's coming down all by itself. You have gravity, you squeeze it in there. You're gonna keep squeezing the fluid in there till it starts to weep out of your fill hole. Then just let it weep till it slows down to a slow drip, and you're full, and make sure you're level when you're doing this. Don't be on a hill. But if you're level, you just keep letting it weep, and then put the fill plug back in, and then you use a little brake cleaner right there. Your little brake cleaner, you clean off all that. See, I have a little bit still here. Get all of that oil, gear oil off, and then it's nice and clean, and you're good to go. All right, now we're going to do the transmission.